me told you where you at, huh? They don't wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, then then some.
Hey beautiful. So 2022 was arguably one of the worst years of my life. It was different though. A different kind of worse. It was like a good bad, if that makes any sense. So here are some of my key takeaways from the entire 365 days. 1. Make self-development a major priority. I just loved how I felt when I started to take care of myself, eat healthy, work out, and actually make Adiah the first lady of my life. It was amazing. Another thing is to trust my gut always. I can't even explain how much this would have saved me last year if I actually had that relationship with my gut. So from now, my gut don't like you, I don't need to like you. We're done. Most importantly, I'm very grateful for the way God found me. He put me in front of a bus and asked the bus to hit me. I didn't die, which wasn't part of the plan, but you know, He's just God. Some of the things I want to do more, well, this first one is pretty simple. I want to grow, expand, learn, occupy space as God has intended it to be. I see myself doing so many good things this year, so many amazing, mind-blowing things this year. Another thing would be to make the important people in my life so special. I do this thing where I don't communicate a lot. I love the people I love to death, but I don't always talk. I don't always engage in conversations because I'm more of a 2 hours talk on the phone type girl. But I want to make them feel like I love them because I love the people I love. And I always want to let them know. And one of the best things I would want to do more would be to throw myself at things that scare me the most. They say courage is not the absence of fear. Fear, but you still do it anyway. It's the presence of fear, but you do it anyway. The first thing I think I did was join JCI. With that being said, our word for 2023 is courage. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel.